Good morning from Animalsonline. Budgie breakfast time. So cute. Mum's having some much needed time off for being a mum and getting stuck right into that thistle. Oh, now she's stopped. Maybe she's looking for breakfast somewhere else. Yeah, she's just fossing it. Oh, maybe not. Thought she might enjoy that hollyhock, but not the case. I'll have to get rid of that one today. Doesn't go down so well, but everything they do to me is cute, so I just want to share the cuteness overload with all of you, because it just looks like, yeah, my babies just seem to have so much fun. They've got all the food they want, they fly around as much as they want, and then I clean up the mess after them. Okay everyone, have a fantastic day, all the best, bye for now.